This sounds crazy, but Chat GPT is being outdated. Can you believe it? Well, Google just dropped a bombshell that's sending shockwaves through the tech sphere. Stay with us till the end to unveil this mystery. Introducing Gemini, the latest brainchild of Google's finest minds, poised to redefine the boundaries of generative AI. And this isn't your ordinary AI model. We're talking about a multi-skilled, multimodal genius that's breaking new ground. Welcome to Gadget Shark, where we're all about demystifying the future of tech. But before we get to the heart of Gemini's groundbreaking capabilities, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. You're about to discover how Gemini is not just changing the game, but rewriting the rules. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss the cutting-edge details we're about to dive into. Imagine stepping into the world of AI, where the battle for supremacy feels like something straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Think Terminator, but with brains instead of brawn. In this high-tech arena, OpenAI has been the reigning champion, dazzling us with its GPT-4 and the ever-popular Chat GPT, which, by the way, has been powering Microsoft's Copilot, turning the digital world on its head. They sprinted out of the gate, and everyone else has been eating their dust. Enter the challenger, Google's Gemini, hitting the scene in February 2024 with a kind of entrance that changes the game. Announced with a bang at the end of 2023, it's not just stepping into the ring, it's leaping in, ready to shake things up. So, what's the deal with Gemini? Is it the David to GPT-4's Goliath? We're peeling back the layers to see what Gemini's got under the hood now and what tricks it might have up its sleeve for the future. And for those eager to get hands-on with Gemini, you might wonder, how do I dive in? Well, Gemini isn't just another AI. It's Google's powerhouse LLM, the tech wizard behind what used to be Bard. Now, simplifying its arsenal, Google has merged Bard into Gemini, and this is creating a singular, formidable identity for both the model and the chatbot. The tech giant has even rolled out a free Gemini app for Android users, offering to replace Google Assistant on Android devices. And for you iPhone users, you're not left out. Gemini's also hanging out in the Google app on iOS. Google has also introduced an enhanced version of its Gemini platform, accessible through an upgraded subscription service named Google One AI Premium. This service represents an evolution of Google's existing Google One Cloud Storage offering, extending its capabilities with advanced AI features. Under the Google One AI Premium scheme, subscribers can access Gemini Advanced for a monthly fee of $19.99. Now, this plan includes a complimentary 2-month trial period and provides an option for annual payment at a reduced rate, enhancing affordability for long-term users. Now, for the Gemini ecosystem, Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google and its parent company Alphabet, has emphasized that Gemini is designed to underpin a comprehensive ecosystem. This ecosystem is not only aimed at enhancing the suite of products used daily by billions, but also at offering APIs and platforms to foster innovation among developers and businesses. In line with this strategic vision, Google is undertaking a rebranding initiative to unify its various AI-centric products and services under the Gemini umbrella. Consequently, Duet AI will be rebranded as Gemini for Workspace. Additionally, Gemini Advanced will be seamlessly integrated with Google's suite of productivity tools, including Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Meet, thereby offering a cohesive and enhanced user experience across Google's offerings. So, what can Gemini do? Imagine if you had a tool as adaptable and versatile as Tony Stark's AI, Jarvis, and Iron Man, capable of understanding and managing virtually anything you throw at it. Well, that's what Google's Gemini is like in the real world. And as we've discussed, Gemini encompasses a broad array of artificial intelligence capabilities and functionalities, accessible through diverse channels. Google unveiled Gemini as a multimodal marvel. This means it's equipped to handle a variety of data types, whether it's text, code, audio, images, or videos. Its ability to process and generate such a diverse range of inputs and outputs makes it incredibly adaptable, enabling it to tackle a broad swath of tasks with ease. And this isn't just flexibility. It's the future of AI, making Gemini a game changer in how we interact with technology. However, Google has introduced two distinct large language models, also known as LLMs, within its AI framework, named Gemini 1.0 Pro and Gemini 1.0 Ultra. The former powers the no-cost version of their AI service, while the latter underpins the subscription-based offering referred to as Gemini Advanced. Despite Google's effort to streamline its offerings under the Gemini brand, this move has introduced its own set of complexities, somewhat muddling the clarity of what each version offers. So, to clarify, Gemini Pro, the complimentary version, operates on a more basic level. It delivers less precise responses and doesn't match the inventive capacity or comprehensive understanding that's found in the premium Gemini Ultra LLM. Concerning Gemini Pro's capabilities, it excels at executing straightforward tasks, such as responding to basic inquiries, summarizing text, and generating images. Moreover, it integrates seamlessly with other Google platforms, enhancing services like Gmail, Google Maps, and YouTube. For instance, if a user seeks recommendations for places to visit, Gemini Pro can display options directly within Google Maps. Android users in particular can leverage additional benefits at no extra cost by using the Gemini app. This app can serve as an alternative to Google Assistant on Android devices, offering its AI-driven assistance across various Google services, including Maps and search functions. It's worth noting that opting for Gemini doesn't necessitate the removal of Google Assistant, which remains accessible. Users have the flexibility to choose the Gemini app for AI support without foregoing Google Assistant, allowing them to benefit from the advanced capabilities of Gemini whenever they prefer. Now, you might be asking yourself, can Gemini really stand in for Google Assistant? Well, there are a few hiccups with this AI. Gemini tends to lag behind Google Assistant in terms of speed, and it's not without its bugs. For instance, its functionality with photos can be a little glitchy at times, despite its supposed capabilities. But hey, the early days of Gemini on Android were a bit rocky. There were some interface blunders that needed quick fixes, and it initially struggled to handle smart home devices. However, recent updates have smoothed out these rough patches, and Gemini is showing improvement. It is reassuring to see Google addressing these issues promptly, and the Gemini app can deliver some impressive results. While there's still work to be done to seamlessly replace Google Assistant on Android, it's only a matter of time before Gemini reaches its full potential. And what can Gemini Ultra do? According to Google, Gemini Ultra's versatility, owing to its multimodal nature, makes it a valuable tool for various tasks. It can assist with academic endeavors, such as tackling physics homework by providing step-by-step solutions and identifying errors in completed assignments. Additionally, Gemini Ultra can analyze scientific papers to pinpoint relevant information for specific problems. Moreover, it can enhance data visualization by extracting pertinent data from papers and generating formulas to update charts with the latest data sets. So, is Gemini really outshining OpenAI's GPT-4? Google seems to think so, boasting about Gemini's performance on various benchmarks. According to Google, Gemini Ultra surpasses current standards on most academic benchmarks, while Gemini Pro excels in tasks like content summarization, brainstorming, and writing when compared to GPT-3.5. But hold up, are benchmarks the be-all and end-all? Some folks aren't convinced. Despite Google's claims, the differences between Gemini and OpenAI's models seem slight. Early feedback hasn't been all sunshine and rainbows either, with users and experts noting that Gemini Pro can stumble on basic facts, struggle with translations, and offer lackluster coding suggestions. However, Google isn't resting on its laurels. They're already cooking up the next-gen Gemini 1.5 model, promising even greater feats with Gemini 1.5 Pro and Gemini 1.5 Ultra. Gemini 1.5 Pro, currently in early testing, boasts improved performance, handling longer prompts with ease. In a test run, it sifted through a 400-page transcript of the Apollo 11 moon landing to extract comedic moments in just 30 seconds flat. Now that's something to write home about. How you engage with Google Gemini depends on which version interests you and where it's integrated. You've got options. You can visit the Gemini website and interact with the AI like you would with any online chatbot, similar to Google Bard. Alternatively, if you're rocking an Android device, well, you can access Gemini through the dedicated app. iOS users can tap into Gemini's customized features via the Google app. Word on the street is, soon you might even use Gemini with your headphones, especially if they're optimized for Google Assistant, make the Google Pixel Buds Pro. Now, don't miss out on our next video. And hey, show us some love by hitting that thumbs up and subscribing to stay in the loop. We're all ears, so drop us a comment below with your thoughts. And until next time, tech enthusiasts, this is Gadget Shark signing off.